Hi, my people. Welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. SJ 50%. I think I want to make it do a small as 50%, average. Well done, well done, well done, well done. All right, so today you're looking at data frames, right? So I've given you a little bit of a background around the data frame looking like or behaving like Excel spreadsheet, right? So let's know the definition of data frame. So I think today's video is going to be quite short. Right, so data frame is actually a table structure used a table structure used to store and analyze data in Pandas, right? So when we say Pandas is a library in Python that helps us do our analysis, bring our data sets and all that. It has that feature of data frame that makes everything look well, right? Be able to put the data into a table form and all that. That is it. And they also have what the rows and columns, and rows are what the records and columns are variables. Okay, all right. So sorry about the noise. You're still here to get a mic. I think one of this we are going to celebrate 100 days of data with a mic, at least, right? Yeah. So just like how we have rows and columns in Excel, right, where rows are the records and columns are the variables, right? Note that it's very important to know the variables. So for example, you don't have a data in a textbook in an Excel, but you have data in a textbook and you want to bring it into Excel. So you have the data and you bring it into brackets. Then you have the product is equal to ABC, sales is equal to 200, 350, 400, region is equal to east, west, and north. Right, so this is the data that you have in your notebook, and you're bringing it onto Pandas in Python. So you write this right. You have stored it into your. So you stored it. Let's see if you remember. What is this? A variable. This bracket shows that it's a what? A dictionary. What is a dictionary for? To pair data, right? So what are we pairing? We are pairing what? Product, sales, and region, right? And this bracket is for what? List. So this is a list, this is also a list, this is also another list as well, right? So now we've stored our data. Okay, so as we've stored it, it's not having any tables, it's not stored in any tables, but you want to store it in tables. I hope you can see my marker, because like all my markers are now fading away. All right, so we have the first code. So these are codes. You're going to see that when we get to write our script again. So you're going to see that our code is df is equal to pd dot data frame data. So you're trying to say that df, right, is equal to this or this, right? So now when you say you want to see the head, right, you want to see product, sales, you want to see the variables, right? This is it. Okay, you use this code. And then when you want to see when you want to know the total, what's the name, the number of rows, right, the number of rows, right, the number of rows, the record 1, 2, the number of columns, the data type, and if there are any missing values, you use this code df.info bracket, right? And you want to see the basic statistics, right, the mean, median, average, and all those things, use df describe. You want to see only sales column, you use this. You want to see only sales and products, you use this, right, df.product product and sales, then df.sales, and you see that we are using the box bracket as well. So basically data frame is just more of like a Python Excel sort of. All right, so that's what we have for today, looking at data frames. I'm going to see you on the next video. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are at day 50, so 50 days more to go. It was the very first 50 days was very challenging, but we hope to keep the momentum till we end to day 100. So if you are here and you've not invited a friend to learn data analysis, or a friend has been worrying you that, oh, I want to learn this data thing, Give them data with Miss Miliana. They are going to appreciate it and they're going to be blessed to be part of this community. Also, don't forget to join our WhatsApp group. Just fill the form with the link in the bio and join the WhatsApp group, right? We're going to see you in our community. And it's bye for now. Bye.